guys, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I am going to do a clean and decorate this room with me. Let me quickly give you guys a little tour of the room to show you what it looks like right now. So this is it, you guys, and this wall is totally empty. If you have seen my last Christmas video, I had removed the wall art that was in here and put it in my dining room. Yes, and what else? This ottoman that was down here is in my bedroom. And over here in this other corner, I had the S table. It's gone as well. It's up front, and a lot of you seem to like it up front, so I'm gonna keep it up there. Yeah, so, and I have these bags that needs to be stored away. Yeah, so the room right now is just a big mess. And y'all know I love this room. It is my baby. I need to show it some love. So let's get to work. I would like to take this opportunity to give a big welcome to all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. I would love it if you have become part of the Glam Squad family and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And to my returning fabulous Glam Squad, thank you for all of your love and support. I thank you guys in advance for sticking till the end of this video, and give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Oh yeah, please share it in your social media pages too. While you're at it, please check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. Also, I'm gonna be announcing the second winner for the giveaway at the end of the video. Honestly guys, when I started cleaning the room, I had no idea what color or theme I wanted to put in there. I wanted to do a holiday Christmas decoration, but I don't have enough decoration to put in there. I was thinking of doing some gold, since I already have gold in my dining room, my bedroom upstairs, and the entryway. Hopefully you guys are going to like it. Guys, I left my tags on the items just as a reminder for me as to where I purchased the things and how much I pay for them. I noticed in my recent videos, many of you have commented about them. I just wanted to share that with you, especially for those of you who are new to the channel. I've said it in the past before, but I thought I would share it again. Thank you so much for bringing that up. I appreciate you sharing your feedback and your thoughts with me. The candle was going to be a little bit too close to the flowers, so I've decided to give the vase some height. are still in the fall season, guys, so I'm using my pumpkin throw. Keep in mind, most of the things that I'm using today are things that were already in the house, so I am shopping my home for this decor. These branches felt super fragile, you guys, so I had to handle them with care. Yeah, we are done.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quietar. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos contigo podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás. Es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también. Al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero. Al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros. Eres mi bandolero. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quietar. Soy tu bebecita.
Guys, 90% of the stuff in this room were either featured in a haul or in one of my recent videos, but I do understand I have a lot of new friends in the channel, so I was thinking of doing either a short video going over some of the things for those of you who are new, or going live in one day next week to share with you where I purchased the things and the prices. Please tap up yes or no in the comment section if you are interested. The shelves and the gold decorative bags are from Amazon. Link will be in the description box for them, including other links for all other items that were purchased online at different stores will be there as well. The second winner for the giveaway is Lori Coombs. Congratulations, my dear. You have 3 days to respond to this announcement. Please put a comment below. Once again, thank you to all of you for participating. My beautiful Glam Squad, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I would love to see you in my next video. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. As always, I love you so much. Bye-bye.